Lincoln digital experience brings enhanced levels of customization and convenience to your drive, presented in an engaging, seamless, and connected form. The panoramic display paired with the center touchscreen works together to position core driving information, connected navigation, and personalized content at a convenient eye level to help keep the driver's focus on the road ahead. Google Play offers a vast selection of apps, games, books, and more, all seamlessly integrated into the Lincoln digital experience. If you prefer to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, your Lincoln vehicle is designed to accommodate your preference. To access Google Play from your vehicle, select the app drawer icon located below the vehicle icon on the center screen. From there, you can select Google Play, simply sign into your Google account. From the Google Play Store, you can search and then download your favorite apps. Once you choose the app you wish to download, press install. You can customize your app drawer by tapping and dragging the icon to arrange them into your preferred order. And remember, you can only use video streaming and gaming apps when the vehicle is parked. To use Apple CarPlay, be sure your phone is paired to the vehicle using Bluetooth wireless technology. Once Apple CarPlay is connected, you should see the CarPlay icon in the side launch area of the touchscreen. When selected, it will display your compatible apps that have been downloaded on your iPhone. Your apps can be used for navigation, streaming audio, messaging, voice calls, music, and even more. Now, to use the Android Auto, be sure your phone is paired to the vehicle using Bluetooth as well. Once Android Auto is connected, press the Apps button on the center touchscreen, then select the Android Auto icon. The center screen should mirror your Android phone, and you should see compatible apps from your phone. Your apps can be used for navigation, streaming audio, messaging, voice calls, music, and more. Thank you for watching.